Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to print your project here in Adobe Express. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe Express, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Printing an Adobe Express project is easy once you have finalized your design. You can print directly from Adobe Express by exporting your project in a print-friendly format like PDF or PNG. Now here's how you can do it. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to click the design or project that you are working. If you haven't already started, just click on the template section wherein you can browse from inspiring thousands of designs wherein you can print that later once you have finalized all of these. But if you want to start from scratch and upload your content and print it later, just click this button. In my case, I'm going to be using this as an example because I like this design perfectly and I want to print it. Now you have a couple of options here. I want you to hover to the upper right corner where you can see the download button. All right. First off is the first format that you can use is going to be the PDF print, which is best for printing. All right. What will happen is you have two options later. You can include bleed and crop marks for easier trimming after printing. Right? You can do that and you can show bleed. But please take note that videos, animations, or audio won't play when exported as PDF and click on download. That's one option. All right. The second option is you might want to check if you wanted to print this as PNG, which is best for images, and click on download. All right. Once you have downloaded it, there are a couple of things that you can do, all right? You might want to press the Ctrl+P or the print button or Command P on your Mac computer. So you have the options. You can use the orientation as landscape or portrait. You can choose the paper size from these options, depending, of course, on your computer or machine that you are using. All right, so these are my options. And of course, is it going to be full page or on this measurements? About the page margins, if you want to use the uniform or normal, and if you want to fit this page or fill this page or shrink to fit. So it's all up to you. If you hover to the more settings section, you can use all this information right here. All right. Once you're happy with that, all you have to do is click on OK and click on print. All right. It's very easy. Now, please take note that for printing, you might want to get a high resolution 300 dpi because Adobe Express automatically provides high resolution in printing. But double check that the quality is set correctly in your design settings. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.